Good day. Today I want to talk about something we see every day but often ignore the struggles of people living in poverty. We notice them, but do we really care? Think about your daily commute or scrolling through your phone. You see people asking for money, families living under bridges, kids selling things on the street. We see them, but do we understand what they're going through? Poverty is more than just not having money. It's missing out on opportunities, basic needs, and hope. The people living in poverty may be quiet, but they have powerful stories to tell. They're fighting to survive every day. Imagine a kids who want to learn but can't afford school supplies, or a mother who gets hungry so her kids can eat, a father who worked hard but struggling to make ends meet. These are the real people facing through challenges. But amidst of all of this, there's hope. The poor aren't just asking for help. They're pushing for change. They want fairness and equality. We can make a difference by listening to them, understanding their struggles, and offering what we can. We don't have to do big things. Small acts of kindness, volunteering, and listening can go a long way. Let's treat them with respect and dignity, not pity. Let's work together to build a country that cares for everyone, especially the most vulnerable. Their hopes and dreams matter just as much ours do. We help each other, we became stronger and more compassionate. Let's start listening to their voice and make a difference. That's all. Again, I am Princess Carol Corrada. Thank you.